Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. US exits Afghanistan. Taliban say after 20 years of killing soldiers. As American troops made a hasty exit from Afghanistan after 20 years, the Taliban said it killed thousands of soldiers and inflicted unprecedented financial crisis. Ahmadullah Wasif, the deputy head of the Taliban's Culture Commission, said occupying US troops withdrew from Afghanistan after a 20-year military mission, killing the wounding thousands of soldiers and inflicting unprecedented financial losses. Celebratory gunfire rang out in Kabul after the completion of the US pullout. The Taliban fighters watched the last US planes disappear into the night sky and then fired their guns into the air and lit crackers celebrating victory after the 20-year war in Afghanistan. Taliban spokesperson Wari Yusuf said, "The last US soldier has left Kabul airport and our country gained complete independence." However, a contingent of Americans estimated to be around 100 people who wanted to leave Afghanistan are still stranded in the country. He said number of American citizens, likely numbering in the very low hundreds, were left behind and that the believes they will still be able to leave the country. Taliban take over Chinook helicopters left behind by US Army at Kabul airport. Moments after the US completed the evacuation of its troops in Afghanistan, Taliban fighters took over the Kabul airport and seized the Chinook helicopters left behind by the US military. In videos shared by the Los Angeles Times correspondent on Twitter, Taliban fighters in uniforms and equipped with body armor, night vision goggles, and guns were seen entering the now deserted airport. They then entered the hangar to examine the Chinook helicopters of the US Army. In a hurried end to its 20 years of the war in Afghanistan, the US evacuated its last troops from the Kabul International Airport. After taking hold of Kabul on August 15, the Taliban has seized the weapons and equipment left behind the fleeing Afghan forces. Since 2003, the United States has provided Afghan forces with at least 600,000 infantry weapons, including M116 assault rifles, 162,000 pieces of communication equipment, and 16,000 night vision goggle devices. We have already seen Taliban fighters armed with US-made weapons they seized from the Afghan forces. This poses a significant threat to the United States and our allies. Representative Michael McCaul, the top Republican on the US House of Representatives Foreign Affairs Committee, told Reuters in an email. Fireworks celebratory firing. Taliban proclaim full independence after US troops leave Afghanistan. The Taliban have proclaimed full independence for Afghanistan after the last US soldier flew out following 20 years of war. Taliban spokesperson Zabiullah Mujahid said early Tuesday that American soldiers left the Kabul airport and our nation got its full independence. The US confirmed its last forces withdrew ahead of a Tuesday deadline, ending America's longest war and the frantic two-week evacuation effort. The Taliban seized most of the country in a matter of days earlier this month. Taliban fighters watched the last US planes disappear into the night sky around the midnight Monday and then fired their guns into the air and it lit fireworks, celebrating victory after a 20-year insurgency in Afghanistan that drove the world's most powerful military out of one of the poorest countries. In Washington, General Frank McKenzie, head of US Central Command, announced the completion of America's longest war and evacuation effort, saying the last planes took off from Kabul airport at 3:29 p.m. EDT 1 minute before midnight Monday in Kabul.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.